Harvey Brown, and today we're going to be filming a house tour video. So I have quite a large house, so I'm going to be having to skip some of the rooms, but I hope you guys enjoy anyways. Make sure to like and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell icon. Alright, let's jump into it. So guys, as you can see, this is my backyard. It's really pretty and I love this fountain I have over here. So this is mainly the fenced off portion. My backyard actually extends pretty far beyond this. It goes into a forest which leads down to the ocean, which I'll show you later. So funny story about my house, I bought a Ouija board at Toys R Us as a joke once and I summoned a ghost named Giovanni. So he looks super aesthetic on camera though. Anyways, let's get back to my backyard. This is my forest portion. I'm going to walk you through this area of my backyard and then we're going to walk down to the beach together. Alright guys, it's time to show you around some of my bedrooms and bathrooms. So first we're going to look at the master bedroom and bathroom. It's quite empty. We actually just like to sleep on the floor in my house in most of the rooms. So as you can see, it's got a gorgeous view and the bathroom's like straight away attached to it. And I don't know, it's a really nice room. I love the shower. The shower is incredible. Alright, now it's time to take a look at my bedroom. So I do have a barn sliding door that just slides right open, so you can see my gorgeous room. I buy all my furniture from Urban Outfitters and you can see my gorgeous lamp and print. I do sleep on a bed actually, so there it is, and you can see my instruments over here and my houseplant. His name is Chad Jr. Look, I play piano, I play guitar, I play ukulele. You can see my she kittens, they're so gorgeous and we have a gorgeous view of our neighbourhood. There I am, and here's my other plant. His name is Andy, named by my best friend. I also have my desk over here with my clear chairs. I love the clear aesthetic. You can see some projects I'm working on in my nice shelf filled with my art supplies. So because I have so many rooms, I just dedicate this one room just to my plant. His name's Harvey and he just chills in here. He's got a great view, he's got so much light and I think he really loves it in here. He's even got his own bathroom, which is right here as you can see. I don't really use it because it is Harvey's bathroom. So this is my dog's room. I don't think he's here right now. He's probably at Kmart or something, but he is a great painter and he is an LGBT advocate, as you can see by his pride flag. He actually helped me film my other video, Top 10 LGBT Icons That You Didn't Know Were LGBT. He's got a lovely rustic wall too. So this is my spare bedroom. No one really uses it that much, but it's got a gorgeous coffee station, so that's where I go to make my coffee. It's got two gorgeous beds and some beautiful art. I also love these egg lamps, like they're just amazing. Yeah, it's, you know, it's an average room. Like the view is pretty nice though. You can see the view of my backyard. This is also parts of my backyard. It's great. Alright, so we're going to jump into some of the living rooms. So this is one of our living rooms. It's got a gorgeous chandelier and the windows are so nice. I love all the light it lets in. Gorgeous TV, gorgeous plants. You can see my backyard. It's got a great, fantastic view. So we don't actually have any furniture in here right now, but big deal, whatever. So this is our bookshelf to store all our books, but we actually hate reading, so we don't put any books in it. It's just kind of empty. So this is my other living room. It's got very modern furniture. It's just around the corner from the other one. I mean, we need multiple living rooms for how big my house is. So yeah, people just come and go through here, you know. So I actually have a private airport that I open to the general public here. So as you can see, like clearly it's an airport. It is in my house. It's actually in my basement, and I just let the general public in because I feel like it's more convenient if everyone can go and have a great time flying to other places. Anyways guys, this concludes my house tour. I had such a fun time showing you around my house and I hope you enjoyed as well. Sorry I couldn't show you everything as I am in the middle of construction with my bowling alley and my bar. Maybe I will make a sequel to this. Comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.